Hello and welcome to our Squee party. We're so glad that you could join us here. One quick thing, if you've never been a part of Squee before, hopefully by now you figured out you may have to press play on the video if it didn't start automatically. And at the end, what's really helpful for me is if you type the word done so that I know that your video has completed, because some of them start at different times. We're all watching this together, so we can interact in the chat box as much as you would like. I love chatting in the chat box, so feel free to interact with me there. And you can, of course, ask me any questions that you have. I love sharing about Seiko. I've been a fellow now for 2.5 years, but I followed Seiko for about 7 years before I became a fellow. Maybe 6 years before I became a fellow. I'm kind of sketchy on the math, and in 2020, I'm giving everyone a pass on math. P.S. I voted, so don't forget to do that, but that's another story. So I love getting to share about our products and the work that we're doing in the world with our team in Uganda and our artists and partners in different parts of the world. I was actually able to travel to Uganda in February of this year, which does feel like a decade ago. And it was incredible to get to meet our colleagues there, to see the beautiful partnership between the Seiko scholars that come to work for 9 months at our workshop and our veteran team that keeps the whole workshop going in between those cycles of scholars that come every year. They really view one another as well, the scholars view the veteran team as their mentors and they really look up to them. And the mentors love investing in the scholars. I think I didn't think about what that relationship was until I saw it in person, and it was just so much more beautiful than I had imagined. If you're not familiar with Seiko, some of this might not be making a lot of sense, but don't worry, I have a video with our founder and she'll tell you the whole story even better than I can. What I hope you gain from our event over the next little bit that we're together is that, one, maybe you could do some holiday shopping this way and know that you will be lifting others through your spending that you're going to be doing anyway. Two, that you'll be reminded that we are connected globally and that when we think about the makers of our products, it reminds us how much value is in those things. And then I hope maybe we can stay in touch after this, and I'll make sure to let you know how we can do that. So don't forget to add comments and questions as we go, and I'll see you in the chat box. Thanks so much for joining us.